Good morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas day 4. I woke up super late today. I woke up at like 11, but I was up really late last night trying to get Vlogmas day 3 up and finishing up like giveaway stuff, and there's just been like so much going on with Vlogmas, so I slept in today. But since today is Sunday, we're gonna do a whole little like reset day because I've been so busy with all the Vlogmas stuff and all the December work stuff. I just haven't had a chance to, like, you guys know I have literally no food in my house. I keep saying that, so I really need to get groceries today. I haven't been like showing what I eat that much in Vlogmas because I've literally just been like scavenging my pantry for anything and everything to eat. So I probably need to get actual food today. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, and then I also need to just do like the normal like Sunday reset things. I need to wash clothes, I need to wash my bedding, I need to like pick up and like clean a little bit. Oh, and then the other thing that I want to do is every year I buy the dogs a bunch of new like Christmas toys. So PetSmart has a ton, so I want to go get them some new Christmas toys so I can fill up their stockings. And then I want to see if they have any little Christmas sweaters because I think it'd be so cute to get them like matching sweaters. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find one that's like big enough to fit Kai, but we'll see. So I'm going to stop by PetSmart today and do that. But anyways, that's kind of the plan for today. Just a very like typical Sunday reset routine. But while I drink my coffee, I'm going to find something to eat for breakfast. I think I have like a little oatmeal packet or something small. And then I'm going to watch church, and then we'll get started with our day. Okay, bathroom is all nice and clean. That looks so much better. I still need to fill up this little thing with a washcloth, but I need to wash all the towels first. So that's why that one's empty, but looks so much better. Okay, just finished getting ready. This is a little OOTD. I just have on this little like cropped sweatshirt that I got from Target, and then I put on my little black puffer from Amazon, wearing some leggings, wearing the same sneakers that I always do. And then for my hair, I just went with like a little sleek back ponytail look. I didn't want to have to like redo it today, just to like clean and go grocery shopping. So I just put it back, and then I'm wearing my little Majori hoops that I got in Chicago, which if you guys haven't seen that vlog yet, you should totally go watch it. It's a super fun vlog. Anyways, let's go run some errands. Okay, just got back from Trader Joe's, and I can safely say that was like single-handedly one of the most stressful shopping experiences I have ever had in my entire life. I thought Trader Joe's just on weekends was bad, but oh my gosh, holiday season is an absolute zoo in there. I don't know if you guys could really see from like the little video, but oh my gosh, like it was like cart to cart. Like I stood in one place for like a solid 10 minutes just waiting to get to like one shelf because it was so busy. They were sold out of a lot of stuff, but I got a few fun things. I found some like fun holiday like drink mixers because I really want to do some like holiday drinks. And then I also found like a vegan gingerbread loaf, which I thought would be really yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and head to PetSmart. Hopefully it is not as chaotic as Trader Joe's. I feel like I need like a sensory refresh after being in Trader Joe's for 30 minutes. That was just so chaotic. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to PetSmart, see what they have there. Hopefully I can find some cute little dog toys for their stockings and maybe like some Christmas sweaters, all the cute little like festive things. I just got home and I'm trying some of this vegan gingerbread loaf that I got from Trader Joe's, and you guys, if you like gingerbread stuff, go get this immediately. This is like the most delicious thing I've ever had in my entire life. Oh my gosh. It's a good thing I got like 2 loaves of this because this stuff's so good. Yes, Lord. Okay. Anyways, but I thought we could do a little Trader Joe's haul if you guys are interested. I grabbed some of the vegan brioche bread. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I feel like it's really hard to find vegan brioche, so I really love that they have that. So got that, and then I also got like 6 boxes of the Trader Joe's non-dairy oat beverage. And then in the next bag, I grabbed some of these little like already ready to go romaine lettuce. I like getting these because it's a little bit more lazy, but if I'm like busy, especially like I have been with Vlogmas, like it's just easier just to have lettuce that's already cut and washed and ready to go, and I can just like dump it in a salad. So I got a few of those. And then I also got some of their vegan chicken tenders. I really like these ones. And then I was thinking about making like a vegan chicken Caesar salad. So I got some of their vegan Caesar dressing. This stuff is amazing. And then there's another box of the oat milk. I really like these, and I get so many because they're always sold out, and so they can be kind of hard to find, and they're also shelf stable, so I can just like keep these for, you know, however long until I use them. So anytime I go, like I stock up. I grabbed some of their vegan spinach and cashew ravioli. This stuff is really good. I feel like it's hard to find like good vegan ravioli, so I grabbed some of that. And then I also grabbed some more of my favorite brown sugar creamer. This stuff is really good. And then I also grabbed some of these roasted potatoes, and they're with peppers and onions, and these are so good. I like adding in some like spinach or like vegan eggs, tofu, and it's like a whole breakfast scramble, and it's delicious. And then the last thing in here is this little sparkling cranberry ginger beverage, and it says it's like supposed to be really good for like a drink mixer, so I thought this would be fun to try. I'm not a big ginger person. Austin really likes ginger, so I more so got it for him to try it, so I'll probably try it and see how it is, but I more so thought of him whenever I saw this. So that's everything that I got from Trader Joe's. Also, are these not just like the cutest little like grocery bags? Like 10 out of 10 to whoever did like the art on this. Anyways, I'm gonna go put all the groceries away really quick. Oh my god, is it? Do you guys think this is a bag for you? Okay, so I want to show you guys what I got for each of the dogs' stockings. Clearly, I picked well because they are very excited. Okay, I'm gonna get Harper's stocking first. I'm gonna put all the stuff in it, and I'll show you guys. Guys, okay, you have to give me some space. You just got stocking fuzz all over your face. Okay, this is like the most chaotic dog stocking stuffer ever. What are you two doing? Kai, you can't bite her head. Okay, anyways, this is Harper's stocking. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got for hers. So the first thing, which she seems to be very excited about, is, hang on, this is for Christmas. Harper, this is for Christmas. I got her this little crinkly and like squeaky Santa, and she loves little like crinkly toys, so I got her that. Anyway, so this is toy number 1 for Harper's stocking. Okay, and then toy number 2 for her, I got her this little squeaky Christmas tree. Oh, did that scare you? Was that loud? She loves squeaky things, as you guys can tell. So I got her a little squeaky Christmas tree. I know, are you excited for this one? I know. You can't, no, this is for Christmas. You have to wait. I'm so glad you're so excited for it. I really am. Anyways, wait. Okay, the next thing I got for her is this little like Rudolph. It has the same kind of like crinkly stuff that she likes, and its head squeaks. I know, you're so excited. You can't have it yet. I know you want it. Nope, not yet. So sorry. Anyway, so I got this one for her. I might have to put that one in last. Wait, hey, come back, Harper, come here. You keep stealing all your toys. Apparently I picked things out well though, because these are exactly what she wants. Okay, and then the next thing I got her is this little, Kaiser, they can't even see it. Is this little Christmas toy. You guys are gonna rip that toy apart. Hey, that's not yours. You can't rip the star off of the tree. This is so chaotic. I hope you guys like dogs, otherwise this is just gonna be a long montage of you guys watching my dogs be crazy. Okay, anyway, so we got her this little tree that's now like all slobbery. No, you cannot tear apart her stocking. I'm so sorry. Okay, and then the last thing that I got, guys, okay, this is getting to be a little much. They're literally never this excited about anything. What is going on? Okay, anyways, the next thing that I got her are these treats, and they are called Nutcracker Crunch. They're peanut butter, banana, carob, and honey. I got her the one that's in a little pink bag. So there's Harper's stocking. Okay, now you have to leave this alone until Christmas. You guys can't tear this down, because if you try to tear this down and you knock down my whole fireplace, Mommy will not be super happy, okay? So you guys have to leave that alone. Okay, moving on to Kaiser Duke's stocking. This one's for you, Bub. So the first thing that I got him is this little, it has like 2 tennis balls on the end, and it's like a tennis ball bone that's supposed to like bounce or something, I don't know. But he loves tennis balls, and he likes playing fetch, so I thought this would be fun if I like threw it for him. And then I got him this little, it's like a pup latte, and he likes the bigger toys that like squeak like that. Apparently so does Harper. I know, there's so many new toys you want. Hey, wait, you can't take your reindeer. So I got him a little pup latte, and then I got him a little bit of like a bigger squeaky toy. This one is a little bone, but I got him a little squeaky bone. And then he loves Frisbees, so I saw this one that's like a soft one, and it's kind of crinkly too. It's like Harper honestly might like it. So I got him that. I'm gonna have to like take all the little tags off and like fold them to fit them in the stockings. And then I got him these little reindeer fuel treats, and these are the banana and bacon recipes. So I got blue for him. So that is everything that I got for Kaiser Duke. And then for both of them, I found these little like greenies that are in a gingerbread flavor, which I thought would be so much fun. Do you want a gingerbread greenie? Okay, come here. You guys can have one. Okay, sit. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Shake. Good girl. Okay, you can't paw it out of my hand. Good puppy. Okay, and then last bag, I found them the cutest little turtleneck white sweaters. I got an extra large for Kai. Honestly, I'm not sure if this is gonna fit. Like, that looks kind of tiny for a 100-pound German Shepherd, but we'll try it on and see. And then for Harper, I got her a size large, and I feel like this is gonna be like perfect size for her. So maybe we should try them on right now. Do you wanna put on a sweater? Okay, you ready? Oh, wait, look at that. Look at how cute. You look so handsome already. I know. You're like, what pet? You have never once had a sweater put on you. Oh. I know. Okay, let's see if we can fit these arms in here. One leg. Okay, let's see. It's a little snug. It's a little snug. The butt doesn't quite fit in there. Look at that handsome boy. Oh my goodness. Harper's, it's your turn. Did I get one for you too? See, I think you're a lot easier to put stuff on because you're used to having a harness put on, aren't you? Yeah. Okay, I think this one will fit you perfectly. Kai, stop sniffing your butt. Okay, ready? One arm in. Oh, you look so beautiful. Look at you guys in your matching sweaters. Kaiser Duke, you look so handsome. He's like, Mom, what did you just put on me? I know, I love you. Okay, Kaiser Duke, you want to take your Christmas picture first? Okay, good boy, come here. And sit. Oh, yes, good. Happy boy. That is perfect. Stay right there. See, it's your turn, Harper. Sit. Harper, sit. Oh, what a good girl. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna end the night with watching a movie. I'm gonna watch The Polar Express. This used to be one of my favorites when I was little. So this is the Christmas movie of the night. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here, and I will see you guys tomorrow.